Hello, I am Gustavo Sepulveda, and I am the Process Automation Business Head at Panasonic Connect for North America. For us, that has always been very important, not only now, but in the last 30, 40 years, and also in the future. There are two areas that I want to emphasize. One, the new platform that we are launching, that consumes 20% less solar paste. So the waste that it's going to be outside for the environment is going to be 20% less, and that is going to be very positive. Another thing that will also be good is that the machines consumes 20% less energy. So with these specific examples, I can tell you something that Panasonic is doing for the future as we have been working in the past. At Panasonic, we have 7 principles. The number one principle, and the only one that I will mention today, is contribute to society. Everything we do is to contribute to society. And this is one area that we cannot say that we contribute if we are not sustainable. So to give you one example of something that we will do in the future is our new feeder will with the auto splice, there will be no waste. Normally, during the slicing process, you always waste a little bit. With this feeder, will be zero. So this is one example of what we will do in the future, as I also gave you some examples of what we have done in the past.